Hi, my PlainJains, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a gel set, a basic gel set for my toes. I haven't done one of these in a while, and I wanted to match my personal nail set that I'm going to wear because I'm going out of town. So this is going to be really basic. Now I'm going to warn you from now, do not judge me coloring outside the box because I am not the best nail polish person when it comes to stinging the lines, okay? But I do clean them up along the way. If you hear my dog growling in the back, it's because he's looking out the window at either a delivery guy or something like that, or a neighbor. He's got issues. But anyway, so yes, I'm going to start off with cutting my toenails or trimming them down a bit. This is going to be the prep work for my nails, my toenails. And then after that, I'm going to be using a nail file and just shaping them up evenly. And then I'm going to use my electric filer and buff off the shine or whatever else, or glue or whatever is on my toes, so we can adhere our gel polish. So after going in with that Sally Hansen dissolvent of the cuticles, I use that to push back the cuticles, or my cuticle tool to push back the cuticle as well. And then I'll take the alcohol and paper towel and wipe off any dead skin and dust that's left over. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add my primer and my base coat, which is my gel base coat. And then I'm gonna add on these really cute pink thingies, these toe separators, before I add my gel. Don't laugh at me, y'all, okay? But I'll put that on there. And then we're gonna add our gel, and then we're gonna get into our neon colors. And like I said, I'm not really concerned about polishing outside the line. The only thing I would say when you do that is just be careful, because with gel polish, we all know that if you cure it on your skin, it basically is not really secured on your nail. It's just overlapping your nail. Once that thing starts to peel, that whole thing peels off. All the polish is gone, and so you just want to be really careful about that. However, when I do mine, I try to clean up as I go. I try my best to have the gel polish on my nail and not on my skin or the cuticle line, because again, it'll just peel off. But if it's like on my nail and then some is on my skin and it's not attached, then it's just easier for me to clean up. But you'll see what I'm talking about later on. So just trust the process. I promise you, I clean up the best way I could. I mean, I know my feet may be looking funny, but it's not that funny. So just clean up as you go, especially when you're using gel polishes on your toes or your fingers, just so they can last longer and you don't have that problem of them just peeling off out of nowhere. I did do most of my cleaning up off camera, but I'm going to add this cuticle oil from Sally Jensen as well, Jensen Henson as well, and rub that in. Whatever I did not get, I'm going to do a foot scrub right after this, just to get those bits of paint off. But other than that, this is the finished look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. Bye.